Hello friends, this problem is related to the concept of greatest integer function. So this says find last two digit of number and this number is inside a greatest integer function and the number is 10 raised to the power 93 divided by 10 raised to the power 31 plus 3. And it is also given that this symbol denotes the greatest integer function. So what is greatest integer function? Just as a reference, now if you have a number something like 10.2, the greatest integer function will be 10. Similarly, if you have 100.56, greatest integer function will be 100. In fact, if you have 100.96, in this case also the greatest integer function will be 100. But now with a negative number, let's say if you have negative 2.6, the greatest integer will be minus 3. Or you have 2 minus 2.1, in this case also the greatest integer will be minus 3. So in this way the greatest integer function is defined. So I will not go into the details of greatest integer function in this video, and with this reference I will try to solve this problem. So the problem is you have to find last two digit of this number 10 raised to the power 93 and this divided by 10 raised to the power 31 plus 3. Now you can notice one thing, this 93 is basically 3 times 31. So this gives me a hint, that is I can make a substitution. So let us make a substitution, that is x is equals to 10 raised to the power 31. This means I can write 10 raised to the power 93 as 10 raised to the power 31 times 3, which is equals to 10 raised to the power 31 raised to the power 3. This means this is x cube. So with this substitution, this expression becomes x cube and this divided by x plus 3, and this is inside the greatest integer function. Now I want to use AQ plus BQ formula. So what I can do is I can add 3q in the numerator and I can subtract 3q from the numerator, and this will be x plus 3. So I can further simplify, this is x cube plus 3q, this divided by x plus 3, and this is minus 3q is nothing but 27. 27 divided by x plus 3. And now I can use the formula for AQ plus BQ, that is a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. So let us expand this term using that formula. So this becomes a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab, and b square is 3 square, which is 9, and this divided by x plus 3 minus 27 divided by x plus 3, and this is inside the greatest integer function. Now see here, this term and this terms cancels out. So what is left? So we have been left with x square minus 9 minus 3x minus 27 divided by x plus 3. Now x is a large number. X is what? X is 10 raised to the power 31. Very large number. Integer. So this will be an integer. So this quantity is basically an integer. And this will be a fraction because 27 divided by very large number. So this is a fraction. So this is integer, or you can say this is a number, and this is fraction. So in general, if you have a number plus fraction inside a greatest integer function, then this can be written as number plus greatest integer of the fraction. So this result I will use. So if I use this result, this term can be written as simply the number n x square minus 9 minus 3x plus this greatest integer minus 27 divided by x plus 3. Now let us try to see this. So what we have? We have x square minus 9 minus 3x, and this is minus 27 divided by x plus 3. What is x? X is 10 raised to power 31. So this becomes 10 raised to power 31 whole square minus 9 minus 3 times 10 raised to the power 31, and this function, that is minus 27 divided by 10 raised to the power 31 plus 3. Of course, this number is between 0 and minus 1. So this number lies between, let's say this number is a, then I can say a lies between 0 and, so a is greater than minus 1 but less than 0. So what will be the greatest integer of this? Greatest integer of this is simply minus 1. So now I can say this is what you have. Let us say these two things. So this is 10 raised to the power 62, and this is minus 3 times 10 raised to the power 31 minus 9, and this is what? This is simply minus 1. Basically I made a mistake. This will be not minus, this is plus. This is a square plus. So this is plus. You see, this is plus here. So this is plus, and this will be plus, this will be plus. So finally this is plus. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is, so finally what you have? Let us say you can take 10 raised to the power 31 common. So this becomes, you will have here 10 raised to the power 31 minus 3, and this is plus 9 minus 1, that is 8. Now see, we have to find last two digit. This is a number, so this multiplied by 10 raised to the power 31. This means I will have a number followed by 31 0. And if you add 8, then what will have? You will have last two digit is 0 and 8. So last two digit in this case is 0, 8. Because this number is followed by 31 0. So last is, so 31 0, this means 0 0 0 0, and then you have last 0, and then you have 8. So these two terms will be added, so this becomes 0 8. So last two digit is 0 8. So I hope you enjoyed this problem, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.